Hello, Leslie McDonnell here with RE/MAX Select Properties, and this is your October 2023 Vancouver real estate market update. I recently attended the Pacific Western Connection Conference, a conference hosted by the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver and the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board. There were many educational sessions, and it was a great opportunity to connect with other professionals in the business. For the educational sessions, there were several that stood out to me. One in particular was looking back to look ahead. What's shaping our financial market in 2024? The panel speakers included Randy Chin, the Regional Manager Mortgage Specialist for RBC, Andrew Lease, the Director of Economics for the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, and Brendan Ogmanson, the Chief Economist for the BC Real Estate Association. The speakers discussed how promising it was to see that governments are finally acknowledging that supply is the main driving factor behind the housing affordability challenge. BCREA created some predictions on how long and how many homes it would take to build per year to make any progress on the housing affordability issue. Their predictions were close to what CMHC, the Canada Mortgage Housing Corporation, predicted of what needs to take place. Unfortunately, the predictions and the past records of housing do not align even close. Even if the government were to make changes within their bureaucratic machines to streamline the permitting process and the construction process, which is a feat in and of itself, the province does not have the skilled labor force to build the homes in the timely manner. Add to that, supply chain disruptions have negatively affected the flow of goods and services needed to build those homes. It was also noted during the session that consumer habits are changing, and it's based on this affordable housing issue. Shrinkflation is a term used to describe the marketing tactic employed by companies to maintain or increase their profit margins while appearing to keep prices stable. You've probably seen that at the grocery store. In other words, developers are making homes smaller as a means of keeping them affordable. Many people are settling for smaller homes as a means of having a home. Just like the food you buy, smaller packages for the same price. I walked away from this session thinking that if we were discussing the feasibility of starting a unicorn farm, we might have more success. The current real estate market right now is relatively balanced. Some products are moving quite quickly. However, others are taking quite a long time to sell. And in the conversations I had at the conference, I heard the word crickets on several occasions when asking realtors what type of activity they're seeing. What does this mean for you? This means it is a great time for buyers right now. Why do I say that? This is a market where buyers can negotiate on the price. Offers can have subjects, and there's time for due diligence. This period of balanced market is not going to last. And it's in markets like this where buyers will say to me, I think the market's going to go down. I'm going to wait it out. And when they do, next thing you know, the market shifts on a dime, and most of those buyers end up missing out. And then we start to see the number of offers rise on homes. And before you know it, people are overpaying to win. If you've got questions about what is happening in your personal situation and you want some honest advice, feel free to give me a call. It is Leslie McDonnell with RE/MAX Select Properties and Property Sales Vancouver. I hope you're all having a wonderful day.